Today I went ahead and broke off some cattails. There is, I forget, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 21. So there's 6 like hand drills. Here, I'll show you one. There's a hand drill. 6 hand drills and 16 was that? Yes, 6 hand drills and 15 arrows. So yeah, pretty sweet. 15 arrows, 6 hand drills. So I'm laying these dry a little bit right now. You can kind of see all of them are in there. Here, I'll even pull out one of the arrows. And I'll even show how to turn this into an arrow. Now you see the front of this right here, how front is thicker than the back. Now the back is where you put your knock. Now I don't have these measured out just yet, but you want to measure from how long your arm is and pull back to here on your right about where your eye piece is, right here. You pull back there and you look down it, and then that's how you measure your arrow length. And you want to go about 2 inches longer so you don't have the arrow slam into your hand. I have had that happen and it sucks. Let me show you right there. That. Yeah, it went in and dug and ripped right out. It was horrible. But how you make this into an arrow is you put your knock on here, put feathers or duct tape. I would probably put feathers on cattail. I have tested duct tape. It works alright, but if you use duct tape, you have to put a lot more weight up in the front. So with doing the weight, you can use rocks, glass, you can use pieces of steel, you could even use a harder wood, maybe like hickory or something. You could put a hickory tip on this because these are pretty light. So if I went ahead and took a piece of hickory, drilled it out, and then put it on the tip here, I could have a wooden tip. And I could even make it so it can slip it on off, so when it hits the animal, it would come off. There's videos on YouTube about that. I'll probably put one in the description. But yeah, pretty cool. Gonna let these dry. They're pretty dry, but I want them a little better. I'll probably have a video sometime up of me making these into arrows. I'll probably do only one because it just gets boring if you watch a video of somebody making 15 arrows. But yeah, sweet. Alright, this has been the main Arrow Gun Hunter and Survival. Please comment, like, and subscribe. More videos to come.